Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge videos in Splice. Splice is a powerful and beginner-friendly mobile video editor that allows you to combine multiple clips into one seamless video. Whether you're creating a vlog, travel montage, or any of the social media, merging videos properly helps your content look smooth, organized, and professional. So here's a more detailed step-by-step explanation. So first you need to have a Splice app on your phone, and after you can launch your Splice, and over here tap on the new project on the bottom and simply select your clips in the order you want them to appear. This saves time rearranging. Simply tap any of the photo that you want to in a new project, and after that you need to select in the top right corner there's a next, and once your clips are imported you'll see them placed in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Splice automatically merges clip by placing them back to back in the sequence. You do not need a separate merge button. Simply placing clips next to each other creates one continuous videos, and each clip will appear as its own block in the timeline. And that is it. Merging videos in Splice is simple once you understand the timeline with trimming. And this is it. This is how I can merge videos in Splice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.